Dear students, we will go through the question and answers that mentioned at the back of the textbook chapter. The first question is, what kind of matters did both Ram and Rahim used discuss while in the hospital? The answer is from here. They talked about their childhood days, the fun they had in the school and college, the struggle they had to endure to get jobs, and so on. Also, they talked about their better halves, their parents, relatives, and children, and also about their neighbors. These are the things they have talked when they were on the adjacent beds. Second question is, what did Rahim request Ram to describe him about the world outside? The second question is, why did Rahim request Ram to describe him about the outside world? The answer is Rahim doesn't have any idea about the outside world. So he wants to describe the things that are happening outside. That's the answer for the second question. And the third question is, why did Rahim envy Ram? Answer is, Rahim would envy Ram because he could see all the things that is happening in the outside world. He can enjoy. That's the reason for his envy. Fourth question is, why did Ram opine that the communication of the animals is better than that of human beings? Because the communication of birds and animals, that's what they are. Okay, because the communication of birds and animals must be better than that of ours, must be better than that of humans. That is why he don't want to, that's why, because he doesn't see any kind of quarrels among them. The fourth question is, why did Ram opine that the communication of the animals is better than that of human beings? Because he never seen that the birds and these birds or animals are fighting or quarreling each other. He doesn't see that they are quarreling each other. That's the answer. And the fifth question is, what did Rahim see through the window when he was moved to the bed beside the window? And after he heard the descriptions, he was so eager to watch the things that are happening outside. When Ram expired, Rahim requested the nurse to shift to that bed. Rahim requested the nurse to shift him to Ram's bed as Ram was no more and The nurse obliged. Rahim looked enthusiastically through the window to get a glimpse of the beauty of the outside world. So, here what he could see? He could see nothing. He could see nothing but a huge white wall. He could see when he was moved to the nearby the window, he couldn't see anything. He could see only a huge white wall of adjoining building. Huge wall of adjoining building. So, my dear students, if you have any rough book, just make a note on the rough book or just listen to the video carefully. It is the story is very interesting and it is very easy to understand and learn. And finally, filling the blanks also there. We will go through the answers of filling the blanks. The first question is, the nurses used to make Ram sit in the bed for some time to help him facilitate dash, which got accumulated in the lungs. What is the answer? The answer is draining of the fluid. The answer is draining of the fluid. Question number 2. A part of the dash had been converted into a beautiful garden, Ram said. A part of the park had been converted into a beautiful garden. Question number 3. Ram and Rahim were lying in the adjacent beds. Lying in the dash beds in the same room. Answer is adjacent beds. Fourth one is, Rahim could see only a dash outside the window. What Rahim could see when he shifted to the nearby bed? He could see a huge white wall. Finally, we will go through the true or false questions. Ram and Rahim were childhood friends. True or false? The answer is false because they are meeting each other once they were admitted in the city hospital. The hospital where Ram and Rahim were admitted was in a village. The answer is false because the hospital is located in the city. According to Rahim, third question is, according to Ram, birds and squirrels communicate better than human beings. True. He likes the way of communication of birds and animals because Ram never seen that they were fighting each other. They always have a peaceful communication. So the answer is true. Fourth question is, Ram was blind. False because Rahim was. Fourth question is, Rahim was blind. Answer is false because Ram was blind. My dear students, the chapter is very interesting story. Just listen to this chapter again and again and understand the story. It is very interesting. Have a nice day. Bye.